Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 best lightning cables available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 lightning cables. Number 1. Amazon Basics Nylon Braided Lightning Cable, 6 feet. Our pick for the overall best lightning cable you can buy right now is from Amazon's own brand, Amazon Basics. The nylon braided lightning cable features everything we want in a lightning cable. It's long, built to last, and charges your phone without any hiccups. The double nylon braided casing is much sturdier than the standard rubber or plastic material you're likely to find on most lightning cables, making it much less likely to split open and fray over time. Around the midsection of the cable is a Velcro strap, which helps keep the cable comfortably coiled when the time comes to stow it away. The cable itself is available in a 3-foot variant, but we recommend paying a little extra and getting the 6-foot variant unless a shorter length is what you seek. Number 2. Apple USB-C to Lightning Cable, 1 meter. For folks who want to fast charge their phone, Apple offers an official USB-C to Lightning cable that gets the job done, albeit with a few drawbacks. First, let's talk about what works. If your iPhone or iPad supports fast charging and you've got an accompanying wall adapter that supports it as well, the USB-C to Lightning cable will serve you well. Being a first-party Apple cable, you'll also just as likely to encounter cable degradation, particularly at the cable's weak points, as you are with their standard USB-A to Lightning cables, which have a nasty habit of breaking down over time. Number 3. Amazon Basics Lightning Cable, 6 feet. If fancy schmancy nylon braiding isn't as important to you as saving money, you could opt for a cable with no frills whatsoever. This 6-foot-long, $8 lightning cable from Amazon Basics is about as no frills as you can get. Sure, you might be tempting fate with an inexpensive cable made from materials that typically degrade with extended use, but perhaps you can get in front of this problem by buying a 2-pack. Additionally, this basic cable can be purchased in additional lengths, making it a suitable option regardless of where you intend to do your charging. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4. Synkwire Lightning Cable, 1 meter. This 3.3-foot lightning cable from Synkwire is a decent option for iPhone users on a budget, though we still recommend Amazon Basics standard lightning cable for people looking to spend as little as possible on a reliable cable. Although the cable held up well over the course of testing, the cable's casing doesn't seem to be well protected for years' worth of use. You can, however, spring for the rose gold or gray variants, which use a more durable nylon casing. Number 5. Anker Powerline Plus Lightning Cable, 6 feet. Hardware manufacturer Anker frequently finds its way into our product coverage due to the company's penchant for making affordably priced, reliable devices that don't sacrifice quality for cost. The Anker Powerline Plus Lightning Cable is no different. Several people in our editorial office swear by this sturdy, nylon braided cable that offers both durability and 6 feet of length for a moderately low cost. A nifty feature of the Powerline Plus Lightning cable is the included pouch, which harbors a sturdy, Velcro strap so users can keep the ideal amount of slack unraveled depending on setting and situation. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So these are the best lightning cables, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other lightning cables, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.